Namaste. Our breath is the connection between our mind and body. So, when we take conscious control over our breathing, we can achieve numerable benefits not only on the physical but also on the mental level. So, let us learn and practice together a very simple yet very effective breathing technique, a pranayama, which is deep breathing. So we will learn and practice this while lying down on the back. You can lie down on the mat, on the ground, or on your bed, whichever suits you best. Then you can also place a mat, which is a roll mat or a blanket, roll blanket under your knees to support your back. Otherwise, what we are going to do is laying down comfortably, bending the legs, resting the feet on the mat, and letting the knees fall in so that they touch each other, so that they do not fall apart while you are practicing. Let us calm ourselves, relax the body, place your palms on the abdomen, on your stomach. The elbows are resting on the mat. See that you're not putting any pressure of your palms on the stomach. They are just resting there gently. And here, close your eyes gently and keep your mouth also closed. The jaws are relaxed. Relax your face. There is no tension on the forehead. The face is relaxed. See that the whole back is resting on the ground comfortably and your whole body is relaxed. Let us now just become aware and pay attention towards our breathing. Follow the breath as it goes in through the nose, filling the chest, the abdomen rises. And as you exhale, as you breathe out, the navel falls and the breath comes out. Just paying attention to every in-breath and every out-breath for a few moments before we begin to practice. As you inhale, take a deep breath in, the navel rises, and as you breathe out, the navel falls. Throughout the whole pranayama practice, the deep breathing practice, see that your awareness, your focus is on the abdomen as it rises and falls. Now here, we will introduce a count. So we'll try and inhale in 3 seconds and we will exhale in 6 seconds. I will give you the count. See that the breath goes in smoothly and continuously. There are no breaks. The counts are just for the idea of timing. So prepare for the practice. Relax your face again. And let us begin. Start inhaling. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale. 2, 3. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale. 2, 3. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale. 2, 3. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale. 2, 3. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And relax, normal breaths. Now we will increase the count to 4 seconds inhalation and 8 seconds exhalation. See that again your focus, your attention is on the navel rising and falling, following each breath, expanding the abdomen as much as you comfortably can, and let us begin. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And relax, normal breaths. See that you are not forcing anything on yourself and it is comfortable for you. Let us now increase the count to 5 seconds inhalation and 10 seconds exhalation. Okay? If this is not comfortable for you, you can stick to the previous counts of 3:6 or 4:8. See that you expand your abdomen as comfortably as possible. And let us begin. Start inhaling, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last round. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And relax, normal breaths. So you can continue to practice on your own if you wish. Otherwise, you can stay there resting, or if you need to get up, then roll over to your one side and sit up slowly. So this was deep breathing, the technique of the simple, very simple, effective pranayama deep breathing, and hope you enjoy the practice. You can practice on your own, you can follow the video, and then when you practice this pranayama for this deep breathing technique for 10 minutes a day or maybe 20 minutes a day, you will feel so much, you will experience the benefits. And for more videos, keep watching the Vivek Yoga. Thank you.